Hey everyone, today we went shopping for food for our family, 6 people, from ALDI and Walmart. I'm going to show you what we bought. Starting with Walmart, we have the Cold Stone coffee creamer, the blueberry cobbler coffee creamer, 2 liters of Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, 1 box of key lime cheesecake dessert mix, 1 box of chocolate fudge jello mix, 1 box of Dove peanut butter milk chocolate pudding mix. I did not know they made this. 1 box of Jello cheesecake pudding mix, 1 box of Dove dark chocolate pudding mix, 1 box of Propel raspberry lemonade. Sorry. Stay. And 1 box of the Propel kiwi strawberry. These are going to be for dessert that I just remembered that I forgot part of from Aldi's. 2 gallons of 2% milk, 2 dozen eggs, 1 loaf of the honey wheat bread, 1 pack of the blueberry bagels, 1 Chobani Flip s'mores, 1 sweet snack selects that has sharp white cheddar cheese, milk chocolate chunks, raspberry flavored dried cranberries, and graham cracker bites. 2 containers of the whipped cream cheese spread, 2 packs of the dried mangoes, 1 pack of the dried apricots, 1 carton of Moose Tracks ice cream, 1 carton of chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream, 1/2 gallon of lactose-free milk, 4 bags of steamable broccoli florets, 1 bottle of soy sauce, 1 jar of bread and butter chips, 3 cans of the steak and potato soup. Yes, I know it's still hot, but when I asked the kids what they wanted for lunch this week, they said soup for 1 meal, so we bought soup stuff. 12 pack of the chicken flavored ramen noodles, a 12 pack of the beef flavored ramen noodles. We have 1 frozen whipped topping, 1 of these traditional crust handmade pizzas. It has mozzarella, ovoline, and pepperoni on it, and will not stay closed. We have 1 5 cheese pizza, 1 mega meat, and 1 supreme take and bake pizzas. All 4 of these are the take and bake pizzas that you take home and bake yourself. They're good within 48 hours of purchase. Last but not least, calcium and vitamin E orange juice for those of us who do not like to chew our orange juice for breakfast.